are a company in Taiwan that has been specializing in metal and plastic products for over 26 years. K-Crown Metal Technologies is the solution companies need to meet target audiences' expectations. Our products and pricing will help companies launch a new product or lower the cost of existing products. We work with many local and overseas suppliers and are currently supplying marine, mechanical, motor, sporting accessory, and fastener industries, as well as bathroom accessories. We also provide OEM service at clients' requests. Our product range includes forging, casting, stamping, machining, plastic injection, and bathroom accessories. Please do not hesitate to contact me with questions or for further information. I look forward to hearing.